First here for us, following yesterday's primary election, Green Bay officials are addressing why absentee ballots were counted hours before members of the public were told that they would be counted. NBC 26's Kelsey Dickinson joins us now live in studio. So Kelsey, what do they have to say tonight?
John, the interim city attorney attributes that to a typo in the public meeting notice. She feels they followed Wisconsin law when counting the ballots, but some people tell me they feel misled by what happened. This is the public notice posted in City Hall and online over 48 hours prior to Tuesday's election, which stated the public could watch the central count between 4 and 5 p.m.
That was unfortunately just a typo that was inadvertently overlooked.
Joanne Bungert, interim city attorney, says the count actually started shortly after the polls opened at 7 a.m. She says around 11:30, the city clerk learned of the time stated on the public notice and called the Wisconsin Election Commission. Bungert says the count resumed about an hour later. At 2:30 p.m., the Republican Party of Wisconsin sent Green Bay a cease and desist letter. Bungert said the count picked up again at 4 o'clock.
We reviewed the statutes and we're confident that we were counting within the confines of the law.
The Wisconsin Election Commission says it had no role in authorizing the city's decision regarding what time to process absentee ballots. The city clerk said in a statement it was her call based on the fact observers had been present at central count since counting started. Bungert says the city followed state law, which says counting can begin after the polls open as long as it's open to the public.
It's unfortunate that this typo occurred, particularly in a time when elections are very much being scrutinized and we're all under a microscope. But honestly, I feel like the city did what it was supposed to do.
The Republican Party of Brown County says they feel misled by the situation.
People talk about voter access, voter safety, voter education. That's all fine and dandy, but unless you first and last have election day integrity, none of this stuff matters.
Documents provided to us by the city show 12 observers were present throughout the absentee ballot counting process. City officials say that count ended at 9:30 last night.